Forget the get-rich-quick schemes flooding the internet. We at Kingdom Cash are all about building empires brick by brick. But hey, sometimes those bricks get a little... well, let's just say they've seen better days. That's right, we're talking about side hustles, lucrative side hustles that might not have the cleanest image but have the potential to shower you in cash. So, ditch the fancy suits and boardrooms. We're rolling up our sleeves and diving into the untapped goldmine of dirty jobs that nobody else is talking about. These hustles may not be for the faint of heart, but for the determined entrepreneur with a fire in their belly, they can be a ticket to financial freedom. Forget the 9-to-5 grind, these hustles can turn your sweat equity into sweet success. Here's the deal, we're not into sugarcoating. We're giving you the raw, unfiltered path to serious profits. So, grab a pen, fire up your phone's note app, and get ready to unlock the secrets to success in some surprising places. 1. Roadkill Removal Specialist. Opportunity score 6 out of 10. Look, nobody enjoys the sight of a flattened furry friend on the highway, but someone's gotta do it. This niche service caters to animal control agencies and concerned citizens who want to ensure proper disposal and prevent scavengers. It might require a strong stomach and the ability to work independently, but it can be a steady source of income with the right disposal methods and permits. Imagine cruising the scenic routes, cleaning up the roadways, literally, and getting paid for it. 2. Graffiti Removal Specialist. Opportunity score 7 out of 10. Graffiti is an art form for some and an eyesore for others. Become the urban Robin Hood of property owners. Learn specialized techniques to remove unwanted tags without damaging the underlying surface. This service can be particularly lucrative in areas with high graffiti rates. Imagine charging a premium for your skills, knowing you're restoring beauty to a neighborhood, one brick wall at a time. Think $500 for just 45 minutes of work. That's a payday worth bragging about. 3. Lawn Care Specialist. Opportunity score 7 out of 10. This classic side hustle never goes out of style. People are busy chasing their dreams, their lawns aren't. Offer mowing, edging, and weed control services. The beauty lies in its simplicity, low overhead, high demand. With a hustle mentality, you can easily charge around $1 per minute, turning your weekends into a cash-generating machine. Picture yourself becoming the lawn lord of your neighborhood, transforming neglected yards into lush green havens. 4. Clutter Clearing Services. Opportunity score 8 out of 10. We all know that friend, or maybe it's you, who could use a clutter intervention. Become the Marie Kondo of your community, but with a twist. Help people declutter their homes, offices, or even garages. The best part? You often get paid to haul away unwanted items, turning trash into treasure. For your bank account, that is. Imagine the satisfaction of helping people reclaim their space and sparking joy, and a hefty profit in the process. 5. House Cleaner, specializing in carpets and beds. Opportunity score 8 out of 10. Everyone needs a good house cleaning, but not everyone wants to deal with deep-down dirt and grime. Stand out by specializing in carpet and bed cleaning. Invest in powerful cleaning solutions and marketing, positioning yourself as the go-to expert for these often neglected areas. Think of yourself as the knight in shining armor who vanquishes dust mites and tackles those mystery stains. This is a service in high demand, especially for allergy sufferers and pet owners. 6. Gutter Cleaner. Opportunity score 7.5 out of 10. Think gutters are just a boring part of a house? Think again. Clogged gutters can lead to water damage, a homeowner's worst nightmare. Become the gutter hero. Offer cleaning services to ensure proper drainage. This might require a ladder and some elbow grease, but picture yourself scaling the heights, conquering clogged gutters, and preventing costly repairs for grateful homeowners. Imagine charging $50 to $100 per hour for a service that keeps roofs dry and wallets happy. 7. Pool Cleaner. Opportunity score 8.5 out of 10. Who doesn't love a sparkling pool on a hot summer day? But keeping it pristine requires constant care. Become the Pool Whisperer. Offer cleaning and maintenance services for residential and even commercial pools. Invest in skimmers, vacuums, and test kits to ensure crystal clear water and happy pool owners. Think weekly cleanings at a premium rate, turning your summer into a season of refreshing profits. 8. Home Painting Business. Opportunity score 7 out of 10. Tired of staring at the same old beige walls? Become the color chameleon. Offer interior and exterior painting services to homeowners looking for a refresh. This requires some skill and knowledge, but the learning curve is manageable. Imagine transforming living spaces with a splash of color, charging handsomely for your expertise. Plus, with a solid reputation, this hustle can become a lucrative business empire, employing a team and painting your way to success. 9. Waste disposal business. Opportunity score 7 out of 10. Don't underestimate the power of proper waste disposal. Many businesses and even households struggle with bulky or hazardous waste removal. Become the waste warrior. Offer pickup and disposal services, ensuring responsible waste management. This business requires permits and knowledge of local regulations, but the potential for growth is massive. Imagine building a fleet of trucks, servicing a growing clientele, and becoming the go-to solution for all things waste disposal. 10. Curb painting. Opportunity score 5 out of 10. Ever wonder who paints those crisp house numbers on curbs? Become the Curb Crusader. This might seem like a niche service, but it's surprisingly in demand. Offer your services to homeowners and even real estate agents looking to spiff up curb appeal. Think quick turnaround times, minimal overhead, and a steady stream of clients who appreciate your precision and attention to detail. This hustle might be moderate in opportunity score, but it's a fantastic way to build a reputation and potentially land bigger painting jobs. 11. Appliance repair. Opportunity score 8 out of 10. Modern appliances are marvels of technology, but they're not immune to breakdowns. Become the appliance whisperer. Offer repair services for malfunctioning washing machines, refrigerators, or even that temperamental oven. Invest in basic tools and take online courses to diagnose and fix common issues. Imagine the hero's welcome you'll receive when you revive a beloved appliance, saving homeowners money and preventing costly replacements. This service is in high demand, especially as appliance prices soar. 12. Trash can cleaning. Opportunity score 8.5 out of 10. Let's face it, trash cans can get pretty gross. Become the sanitation superhero. Offer cleaning services for residential and commercial trash cans. This might not be glamorous, but it's a necessary service with a growing demand. Think eco-friendly cleaning solutions, deodorizing treatments, and a recurring service model that keeps your pockets full. Imagine charging a premium for a service that keeps neighborhoods smelling fresh and prevents sanitation headaches. 13. Sofa cleaner. Opportunity score 8 out of 10. Sofas are a haven for dust, crumbs, and pet hair. But deep cleaning them can be a daunting task. Become the sofa savior. Specialize in cleaning sofas using safe and effective methods that won't damage the fabric. Market yourself to busy families and pet owners who want to keep their couches looking and smelling fresh. Imagine referrals from satisfied customers and a reputation as the go-to expert for sofa rejuvenation. 14. Mailbox installation and repair. Opportunity score 6.5 out of 10. Mailboxes are often overlooked, but they're an essential part of any home. Become the mailbox maestro. Offer installation and repair services for damaged or outdated mailboxes. This might require some basic carpentry skills, but the learning curve is manageable. Think quick jobs, competitive rates, and the satisfaction of ensuring smooth mail delivery for your clients. This hustle might be moderate in opportunity score, but it's a great way to build a local reputation and potentially land bigger handyman jobs. 15. Phone repair. Opportunity score, moderate to high. Cracked screens and dead batteries can render smartphones useless. Become the phone phoenix. Offer repair services for all types of smartphones and tablets. This requires technical skills and knowledge of specific models, but online resources and certifications are readily available. Imagine the relief you'll bring clients by reviving their beloved phones at a fraction of the cost of a replacement. The opportunity score here depends on your skill set, and target market high-end repairs for the latest models can be very lucrative. 16. Garage organizer. Opportunity score 7.5 out of 10. Let's be honest, garages often become chaotic dumping grounds. Become the garage guru. Offer organization services to help people declutter and maximize storage space in their garages. Think customized solutions like shelving, pegboards, and storage containers. Imagine transforming cluttered garages into organized havens, increasing property value and earning happy customer testimonials that can fuel your business growth. 17. Pet waste removal. Opportunity score high. Pet ownership comes with great joy but also unpleasant responsibilities. Become the pet waste paladin. Offer removal services for dog waste in backyards and apartment complexes. This might not be for the faint of heart, but with proper sanitation measures and a pet-friendly approach, it can be a booming business. Imagine recurring service contracts, a dedicated client base, and the satisfaction of keeping neighborhoods clean and pet owners stress-free. 18. Mobile detailing, opportunity score high. Who doesn't love a gleaming car but hates the hassle of car washes? Become the mobile shine magician. Offer on-site car detailing services, bringing the cleaning directly to your clients. Invest in a portable detailing kit and eco-friendly cleaning products. Imagine transforming dirty cars into sparkling showpieces right in their driveways, commanding premium prices for your time and expertise. With a van and a growing team, you can build a mobile detailing empire. 19. Eco-friendly diaper service. Opportunity score moderate. Parents are increasingly eco-conscious, and traditional diapers create significant waste. Become the Eco-Nappy Ninja. Offer a subscription service for compostable diapers and wipes. This requires reliable partnerships with suppliers and a strong marketing strategy to reach eco-minded parents. Imagine recurring monthly revenue, a positive environmental impact, and the satisfaction of helping families make sustainable choices for their little ones. 20. Crime scene cleanup. Opportunities score high but requires special training and permits. This one's not for the squeamish. Crime scenes can be hazardous and emotionally charged environments, but for those with the right qualifications, crime scene cleanup can be a lucrative business. Becoming a certified crime scene cleaner requires specialized training and permits. The work involves biohazard removal, deep cleaning and restoring properties to a safe and sanitary condition. Imagine working with law enforcement and property managers, handling sensitive situations with professionalism, and commanding a high hourly rate for your expertise. Remember, this is a demanding field that requires a strong stomach and a commitment to ethical practices. 21. Animal carcass disposal. Opportunity score high, but requires specific regulations and permits. This might be the dirtiest hustle on our list, but it's a crucial service in the agricultural industry. Livestock mortality is a reality, and proper disposal is essential to prevent disease outbreaks. Becoming a licensed animal carcass disposal specialist involves adhering to strict regulations and obtaining the necessary permits. The work involves collecting and transporting deceased animals to designated rendering facilities. Imagine working with farms and ranches, ensuring responsible and environmentally friendly disposal practices, and potentially building a network that expands your service area. This is a niche market with significant potential, but requires a strong commitment to safety and following all local and federal regulations. There you have it, 21 dirty jobs with the potential to generate clean profits. Remember, success in any hustle requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Literally or figuratively sometimes, the most profitable opportunities lie in the unexpected corners. So, are you ready to join the revolution? Subscribe to our channel for more game-changing business ideas. Like this video if you're ready to take control of your financial future. Share with your friends who are ready to earn money. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. Be kind, be humble, be generous. Let's make this year our year of success.